quick video with Chef Ricardo this evening. I got a wicked nice lovely combination, watermelon and beetroot. And I was in the kitchen and I said to myself, I'm gonna make a juice. Easily bet. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. I was in the kitchen and I said to myself, you know what, I'm just gonna do a nice video on a watermelon. And Emily, thank you so much. I'm in the kitchen and I said to myself, I'm just gonna be doing a video on this drink this evening. Alright, is watermelon and beetroot. That's it. I got the watermelon and I got the beetroot, so why not make a nice lovely juice from it? You know what I mean? Because this will be a very good combination, watermelon and the beetroot juice mixed together. So I said, okay, that's what I'm gonna do then. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is this. So I got some watermelon here, as you can see for yourself, and I have some beetroot. I'm already prepped my beetroot, to be honest with you, because beetroot, you know, is red and it takes some time to remove skin, so I'll make sure I prep my beetroot. But look at this. This is what I'm gonna do first. Okay, I'm going to do the beetroot first. So I'm gonna put the beetroot into the blender like this. But look at the secret which I want to share with you this evening, guys. All right, I'll get a piece of a ginger. All right, so I'm getting a little piece of a ginger to put inside of it. Okay. Yeah, girl, thank you so much for coming on the show. I appreciate it. So I'm gonna put this piece of a ginger. This is 2 pieces of ginger inside of it. All right. Then what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm gonna do, guys. To be honest with you, I'm just gonna put a little bit of water into the blender. Not much water, just roughly about 1/4 cups of water. But this is a very secret recipe I'm sharing with you. So it's a very, very good combination, to be honest with you. Beetroot and watermelon drink. All right. Now, once I do this, because it's not gonna be a long video, it's gonna be a very quick video. Okay, I'm gonna blend this first thing. Let's blend up this. Okay, this is a secret which I want to share with you, but look at this recipe. Alright, let me see. Yeah, so I'm gonna get out the beetroot, which I just blend, because I did not want to use too much liquid into the blender. So I'm gonna rinse out the blend. I'm gonna rinse out the beetroot, which I blend it into. So just gonna put a little bit of water and rinse out the beetroot. So I didn't want to use too much water. All right, nice one. So but I just want to show you exactly what I'm going to be doing, because this is a very unique recipe, beetroot with watermelon. So I'm getting as much juice from the beetroot. This is really horrible. Look at this, guys. This looks so so weird. But is the flavor and the texture of what is inside of it. Alright, now I'm not gonna be going any more further with this right here. I'm just gonna leave it just like that. Nice one. So now let's get the blender. Alright. But this is such a lovely recipe. I never even thought of this before. But I got the 2 ingredients in my fridge. And I know that watermelon is good for us. And I know also the beetroot. So I say, okay, let's do this combination together. Alright. Now, so this is gonna make part 2 of the video, so you have to watch what I'm doing, guys, because it's a very beautiful recipe for you to try at home. Super rich, the flavor, the texture of it is gonna be an amazing, to be honest with you. So right now we got some sliced watermelon. So what we're gonna do, cut up your watermelon into it. Now the watermelon skin, do not throw away watermelon skin, it's very good for men. Some people call it Viagra, I don't know how true that is. Alright. Nice one. So as you see what I'm doing with the watermelon. Okay. Lovely. So now, as you can see for yourself, we got the watermelon inside of the blender, and I blend the watermelon earlier, the beetroot early. And now what I'm gonna do, look at the recipe, guys. So I'm gonna pour the beetroot with the watermelon like this. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. Look at the richness of the beetroot, so beautiful. Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do, alright, because I want to keep the fiber of the watermelon. I want to have the fiber of the watermelon, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back into this now. And now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend this. Beautiful. Now, all right. So this is going to be the watermelon and the beetroot mixed together. I got some ginger in it already. Right. I'm gonna squeeze half a lemon inside of it. Beautiful. So I'm squeezing half of a lemon. Give that a mix. Alright, so basically, so you have some fiber from the watermelon inside of it and a little bit of fiber from the beetroot. But look at the richness of it. That is fantastic, guys. Now, what you want to do, you want to drink this, you know what I mean, like during the evening. Look at this. That is fantastic and amazing. Beautiful watermelon, and beetroot juice from Chef Ricardo cooking today. Okay, so if you like the recipe, as I said, please leave your comments in the description box. I got both ingredients in my fridge and I decided to make this beautiful drink today for you guys. Really fantastic. The flavor and the texture is amazing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste it to see what happened. Wow. Now, to be honest with you, I need you to try this at home. That's the only thing I could say to you. You're gonna have to try it yourself. Try the whole texture of it. It's amazing. The flavor, the texture. You can taste the ginger inside of it. You can taste the watermelon. You can taste the beetroot. And that's why we're Chef Ricardo coming to give you some healthy juice. You don't need to add any sugar, any honey, or any sweetener to it. Here's his name. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Not try. Here's his name. Yeah, that easy at all. Give yourself here's it. Yeah, it's a very good drink. Very good drink, guys. All right. As I can see, it's all just natural. All right, and trust me, you guys can make this at home. Okay, just separate the two ingredients, and then in the end, you combine them together, and you get a beautiful drink. All right, guys. 11 minutes. So thank you so much, Jackie. Thank you so much for coming on the show. We appreciate it. Francis, thank you so much for coming on the show. We appreciate it. And every one of you guys who are watching. And if you like the video, please leave your comments in the description box. And please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Now, with the watermelon skin, do not throw away the watermelon skin. Alright? You can use the watermelon skin and make a drink from it. It's very good for man. Alright? Special, you know what I mean, if you are in your 50s or in your 80s. You can drink this one. Very good for you. All right, watermelon skin. Do not throw away this one right here. Very good for you. Okay, but anyway, I'm not gonna keep the show too long. It is Susan, thank you so much. It is meat-free Monday, and meat-free Monday is a time of Chef Ricardo normally, you know what I mean, coming on the show and do it is meat-free Monday. I just decided to share this wonderful recipe with you this evening. Hope you guys like the recipe. Leave your comments in the description box. And all of the recipe. Michi Boo, thank you so much. I'm working 3:31. Yeah, well, alright, take it easy. If you missed the recipe, it's on my YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking. Go over and watch the full episode, and you can make this at home. Beetroot with Elizabeth, thank you so much for coming on the show. We appreciate it. And if you're the queen over there. And thank you so much for coming on the show. We appreciate it. Guys, have a beautiful evening. I'm gonna close the show and appreciate